We're recording. This on? You want to take some video of this?
Yeah. Just a second.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're on board the first octocopter made of stainless steel. It may seem like a bad idea, but it's the only stuff we got. So I hope you enjoy, and this is Atlas. Yep.
Let's go there one more time.
Wait, what?
Do that. I'll go over one more time.
It's on the GoPro. All right.
Whew. Gotta say, man, this is cool.
Thanks.
Good job, man. Good job.
Been pulling all nighters trying to get it to work.
Hey, man, yo, it's paid off. You can definitely tell it's paid off.
There you go. You want to pick it up?
See how heavy it is. Oh man, y'all packed this sucker down. I feel the ESCs are getting hot.
Yeah, they're not too bad. They should be able to handle it.
Yeah, I mean, I've burnt up one or two, so it's nowhere near as bad.
See, now, we had a green propeller on here less than half an hour ago, and we actually had, I think I was testing it the other day, and for some reason the yaw channel was messed up.
Yeah.
Well, I figured out what the problem was, but it was yawing uncontrollably as you gave it throttle.
Okay.
So I landed it down as it was spinning, and I got it down and one of the props hit the ground. It didn't break, so I thought,
Yeah.
And we took it up a little while ago, fixed all the channels, fixed everything, took it up, and just spat out half of a blade. Just threw it out. And you know what it did? Stayed there, just like that.
So he compensated. He
Yeah.
picked itself back up. Nice.
Didn't fall, didn't do anything. It was
Yeah.
awesome. Redundancy.
So y'all got this camera,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then y'all got the GoPro
Yep.
as well. Okay.